topic is centrifugation. The centrifugation is the method to separate the particles from the liquid and even gases. This is called centrifugation. Now this is the cream collected. When I will churn it, the method of churning should take a very high centrifugal force. Then the cream butter came up. This method is called churning. This is the butter collected by churning method and centrifugation. With this the ghee will be happy. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Inshira. My topic name is solubility. The substance that completely dissolves in water are called solubility. Example: a salt has a high solubility, whereas gold has low solubility in water. For example, I pour some salt into water and I mix. Now you can see the salt completely dissolves in water. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Sarvani. Today my topic is immiscible. Any two liquids that mix with together is called miscible. For example, take a water and pour some lemon juice in it and mix. We cannot see the lemon juice because it mixes it together. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Santoshi. I am going to explain today insolubility. Substances that do not dissolve in water is called insolubility, and it is easier to separate the two substances from water. Example: here I am taking some water and some chalk powder. And mix it well. You can observe the chalk particles are settled down in the water. This method is called insolubility. Thank you.
My name is Nandiniya. My topic is sublimation. Sublimation is a chemical process where solid directly changes into gas without going through the liquid stage. Example: campfire. We do one activity based on sublimation. Take one campfire and pour on plate. And burn it. The solid changes into gas. Thank you. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Sivanya Kitana. Today my topic name is float. If any object has light in weight and air in it, it will float on water. For example, we can see here the ball is light in weight, and if we do in this means it will float on water because it has air in it. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Pravasti. My topic is gravity method. Gravity method is a method the separation of the substances of the components when the particles insoluble in water is called gravity method. Take soil and mix with rocks. Pour water into it. Now you can observe the rocks are settled down and the soil particles are some coming close to the water. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Deepti. Today's topic is hand picking. When the visible unwanted particles are removed by hand. This process is called hand picking. When we are taking some dry rice and some pepper, after that we will mix it and we will separate it from it. And the rice is the separated from pepper and rice is called as a hand. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Yoshita. I am explaining my topic is condensation. The water vapor immediately turns into a liquid. This process is called condensation. For example, when you keep heat substances in a box and if you close it, after some time you find some liquid particles like this. This process is called condensation. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Ravi. My topic is